How much weight can I lose in a week? Calculator. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. That's probably the wrong question to be asking. How much weight should you be losing in a week? It's better to ask. So many factors go into that number. I'll read off a few for you. Were you a little more stressed in the last few days? How about did you have an extra glass of wine with a loved one? Women, are you about to start your period? This is a big one that I'm guilty of. Did you get enough sleep? How many steps have you been doing daily? That factors in as well. How about changing your gym routine? That could be part of it. The problem with wanting to lose weight so badly you obsess over it is you would do basically anything or try any supplement or whatever fast or starve yourself more time to reach that weight. That's not sustainable. Let's talk about sustainable weight loss for your health. Weight loss comes down to one thing: calorie deficit, and there are other factors that go into it, such as genetics, hormones, and several others, but you still need to be in a caloric deficit to lose weight. You can alter how much of that weight is from fat or muscle, though, so keep that in mind. Fast weight loss has a problem. It's usually a ton of muscle. When does that do? Losing a lot of weight quickly decreases muscle mass, and that is bad because you get rid of the calorie burning muscle tissue. It's metabolically active, unlike fat tissue that all it really does is store calories. Energy is another word for calories in cases of emergency and to help you to survive, to help with consistency and calorie deficit, to help you have sustainable weight management. Just comment below and I will respond. We'll get you set up with a plan, live longer, feel better, and add them to your ears. If you want to read the blog article from First Form, where I got this information, I've linked that down below. Also, check out my other links to help you get in the best shape of your life. and achieve your goals